Okay, I had a request from a Revolver user to make a how to drip video to how to drip the Infiniti Ion. We have our Peach 24 milligram and our cartridge for the Ion, an automatic battery, and a stock atomizer. Screw the battery onto the atomizer. Take the inner cart out of the outer cart. You don't need a fancy drip tip. Makes it easier, but you don't need one. Then all you do is 1 drop, 2 drops, put your tip back on, just the outside, not the inside, and vape away. That's all there is to it. Lasts about the same as 1 cigarette. Whenever you get done, whenever it stops producing the amount of vapor you want or the flavor diminishes, add a couple more drops. I would say don't go over 3 drops, because 4 drops it almost always floods. You can kill a battery really quick by flooding them, especially the automatic batteries. It's a schematic showing why this happens if you're curious. Like I said, 2 drops is fine. 3 drops if you really want to chain vape for a minute. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Thanks, guys.